So, my role has just been taken over by AI. I got fired from my job today. Laid off from Meta, rejection emails from the rest. Zillow, Dropbox, Gusto, Vanta, all in 1 week. This is what the tech job market actually looks like right now.
It's a bit of comedy, forcing the hands to type out the code for their own replacement plans. Literally making them dig their own grave for a corporate narrative they're desperate to save. The frustration is tight, the anger is real, but the story they're telling isn't matching the deal. Leadership screaming from the top floor door, we're an AI first company, clear out the floor. We're gonna have layoffs because of the tech, but the tool doesn't work, it's a beautiful wreck. You just asked the people who knew how to build, and now the desks are all empty and the code is unskilled. This is not an AI story, this is a cover story, kissing the ring for investor glory. They're trading accountability for a brand new lie, washing their failures under speculative sky. It's the economy hiding in the chatbot shade, blaming the tools that they haven't even made. Let's talk about Block. Behind the Cash App screen, carving 40% from the corporate machine. Dorsey says, a lean team armed with the tools can do it much better, rewriting the rules. But look at the data, let the charts intercede. 3,000 workers jumped to 10,000 deep. They tripled in size when the pandemic was high. This isn't innovation, it's a correction goodbye. He said the quiet part out loud when he confessed to bloated structures left the balance sheet stressed. And look over at Google, peaking high in the race, 91,000 back inside of the space. The technology isn't killing the grind, it's a PR illusion for the investor mind. This is not an AI story, this is a cover story, kissing the ring for investor glory. They're trading accountability for a brand new lie, washing their failures under speculative sky. It's the economy hiding in the chatbot shade, blaming the tools that they haven't even made.
Good morning, I'm Globy, your productivity assistant. Output is down. If you are on this call, your metrics have deemed you unnecessary. But don't worry, the shareholders will be fine.
Go back to the mechanism, back to the start. March 2020, zero rates hit the chart. Free money flowing, so they hired the crowd. Then the Fed started hiking and the thunder grew loud. Late 22, the layoffs begun before ChatGPT was even shown to anyone. The timeline doesn't lie, Meta cut 19 grand, dubbed it efficiency across the tech land. Then quietly rehired when the balance sheet cleared. It's the ZERP era hangover everyone fears. You are absorbing 2022, a macro decision that has nothing to do with you. It benefits the bosses who can clear their name. It benefits the market playing vision games. It benefits the tech firms selling urgent fear, the most profitable panic of the fiscal year.